on 6-stroke engines. We already seen 2-stroke engines, 4-stroke engines, and now coming to 6-stroke engines. Okay, in 2-stroke engines, what are the main important strokes? Compression and the expansion or power stroke. Okay, and what are the 4-strokes in 4-stroke engine? Suction, compression, expansion, and exhaust. Okay, so here also in 6-stroke engine, here also we are going to have those 4 strokes only. Okay, the main difference is we are going to add some uh, add 2 extra strokes. Okay, those are again second power stroke and second exhaust stroke. Okay, is it clear? It is going to have those 4 strokes only, but here the main difference is we are going to have within the same cylinder, we are within the same engine. Okay, within the same cylinder we are going to have 6 strokes. Okay, mainly 4 strokes, and we are going to have second power stroke, which is a 5th stroke, and we are going to have another exhaust stroke. That means second exhaust stroke, which is a 6th stroke. Okay, so what are these 6 strokes here? Suction, compression, expansion, exhaust, and again expansion or power stroke and exhaust stroke. Okay, nothing but repetition of last 2 strokes. Okay, so what are the advantages by adding these power strokes and exhaust strokes? Okay, see here, we need to get more power. Okay, nowadays we need to have more power to get high efficiencies and all those. Okay, to have more, to get more power means we need to have another power stroke. If we have another power stroke, alternatively we are going to have more power. So here some scientists or some engineers have came to confirmation that if we have another power stroke and exhaust stroke, we can improve the power output. Okay, so based on that idea, okay, they have improved 2 more strokes within the same engine, within the same cylinder only. They are going to incorporate other 2 strokes, which are power stroke and exhaust stroke, so that we can generate more power. Okay, and also all those disadvantages which are going to have in the 2-stroke engines also, we are going to eliminate those. Why? Because we are using separate valves for both the inlet and exhaust valves. Okay, okay, and a separate intake and outtake also will be there. So that's why we need, if we have another power stroke within the same engine, then we are going to get more power, and also we can eliminate all the disadvantages which are going to be held in the which are going to be have in the 2-stroke engines. Okay, so that's why we can improve power, and also we can take out all the disadvantages of 2-stroke engines by having that means here we are going to have 3 crank revolutions will be there. Okay, in 2-stroke engine there will be 1 crank revolution. Okay, and into 4-stroke engine there will be 2 crankshaft revolutions. Since here we are going to increase 2 more strokes, we should have another crank revolution. So finally, for every stroke, for every 2 strokes we are going to have 1 revolution. So 6 strokes means we are going to have 3 crank revolutions. Okay, here whatever the engine exhausted. Okay, first of all there will be suction, compression, expansion, and exhaust. After exhaust there will be some gases leaving to the atmosphere. Okay, we know some of the gases are going to leave the atmosphere. Okay, and now what is going to happen? These exhaust gases, instead of going to the atmosphere, they will get into the next power stroke. Okay, I explained you after what is going to happen. After exhaust, the gases are going to leave to the atmosphere in case of 4-stroke engine. Okay, but here in case of 6-stroke engine, there will be a power stroke here. That power, whatever the gases during the exhaust stroke are going to again come into the power stroke now. So that means from 4th stroke to 5th stroke, so whatever the exhaust gases are there are going to do the work in the 5th stroke, that is power stroke, second power stroke. Okay, so that's why, that means we are going to reuse the gases. Okay, instead of leaving them to atmosphere, we are going to reuse them. Okay, to the 5th stroke, which is a second power stroke. Okay, so that is the main difference between that. And in 6th stroke also, what is 6th stroke? Nothing but exhaust stroke. In this exhaust stroke, we are going to leave the gases to the atmosphere. Okay, these are some engineers who are going to develop Crovers six stroke engine, and this is Veloceta six stroke engine. You can go through them and you can know whatever is there. Whatever I have explained till now, that will be that only will be there. Okay, so you can go through it. Veloceta six stroke engine and the Power six stroke engine. The principle is same, working principle is same, which I explained now. Okay, you can go through it and you can understand easily. Okay. Uh, okay, rejoin the session in a few minutes. Till 2:55, I am open for discussion. Okay.